Imagine being able to change the emotional charge of painful memories, not by forgetting them, but by rewriting how your brain stores them. That's what memory reconsolidation makes possible. This science-backed approach can potentially change a lifetime of stress, anxiety, and even PTSD.
For decades, scientists thought once a memory was consolidated, it was essentially permanent, like it was wired into the brain's neural circuits forever. While therapy could help you cope with a traumatic memory, it was thought the memory itself was unchangeable. But in 2000, a discovery changed everything. The assumption was wrong. Memories can be edited.
Every time you recall a memory, your brain doesn't just play it back like a recording. It actively reconstructs the memory. And during that reconstruction, the memory becomes malleable. If you interfere with the restabilization process during this brief window, the emotional charge of the memory can be permanently changed.
The reconsolidation window is the brief period, typically lasting from a few seconds to 5 or 6 hours, during which a reactivated memory is unstable and changeable. During this window, the memory can be updated with new information, including new emotional responses. You could effectively overwrite the original emotional learning.
Imagine introducing a mismatch experience, something that directly contradicts what the memory predicts during that lability window. What happens? The original emotional learning can be overwritten. The factual memory stays intact, but the fear, the anxiety, the stress attached to it can be reduced or even eliminated. The big question was whether this works in humans. The 2010 Schiller study divided participants into groups and created a fear memory. The key was timing the interventions. Those whose extinction work happened within the reconsolidation window showed no return of fear, even when tested a year later. So the timing is absolutely key. For memory reconsolidation to work, you have to first reactivate the memory to make it unstable. Then you need to introduce a mismatch experience during that reconsolidation window. That's when real and permanent change becomes possible.
So, how can you use this information? Reconsolidation offers exciting applications for treating PTSD and trauma, reducing anxiety and stress, changing unwanted habits, and generally improving emotional regulation. The possibilities are truly transformative.
It's important to note that research is still evolving in this area. However, the potential is enormous, offering new hope for lasting relief from painful memories and empowering individuals to take control of their emotional well-being.
So, what if you could finally rewrite those old painful stories? What if you could transform stress into strength and truly master your emotions? Memory reconsolidation offers a science-backed path to lasting change. To help you on your journey, download Harmoni free for a 14-day trial and start rewriting your story today.